In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your rear control arm on your Toyota Camry. It's located behind your rear wheel. We're going to remove our hubcap using a pry bar. Just get in there a little bit, pull it away, walk it around, and remove it. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to remove our wheel. Remove your wheel. Using a 19mm long socket and a swivel, I'm going to take out this bolt. Now I'm going to use a 19mm socket on this end and a wrench on the other. And we're going to take out this end. Take out the bolt, set it aside. Now I'm going to get a pry bar. And we're going to remove this from the knuckle. And then removing it from underneath. We're going to install this end first. So just line up that and get your bolt started. Once you know it's started, you're going to put the other end in. It may take a little bit of effort. Once you get the bolt through, you're going to get your nut started on the other end. And we're going to tighten them down. We're going to temporarily snug them up, but then we're going to jack it up and we're going to torque it at ride height. I'm just going to snug this up a little bit. Don't tighten it all the way down. And do the same here. I'm going to use my wrench on the other end. And now we're going to jack up the knuckle and torque it. So ride height will be, I'm going to use my pry bar so you guys can see. Your bolt back here should be in line with the axle in the center. So that's ride height. Now we're going to jack up the knuckle to ride height. I would say that's good. So we're going to torque this to 74 foot-pounds and also this one. going to lower our jack. And remove it. You can put your wheel back on, go down to your local shop, get an alignment, and you're good to go. Put your wheel on, start your lug nuts. We're going to tighten these up in a star-like pattern. I usually position it so this one's on the bottom, and then walk the rim up. We're going to torque our lug nuts to 76 foot-pounds using a 21 millimeter socket. Line up your valve stem with your hubcap. Put it in and gently tap it all the way around the perimeter. Now you're going to want to take your vehicle down to your local alignment shop to get it aligned.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.